Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another adulteration experiment, that is your detection of the oil soluble color in a chili powder. Here the adulterant are what? Adulterant is oil soluble color, and the sample that we took for an experiment is your chili powder. Okay, now first of all we have to know that what does this adulteration mean. So simply the adulteration is defined as addition of the substance into a food product in the place of the good substance, or eliminating the good ingredients of the uh, food product, so that the quality of the product decreases, but the quantity of that product and the another agents like your flavoring agents, coloring agents, that they are um, increases. Okay, so here the reason behind the addition of the oil soluble color into a red chili powder is only that to enhance the color of the red chili powder. We all know that when consumer go to the market and buy a food product, the brighter colored food product attract them more as compared to the dull color. Suppose that you are going to the market and buy a red chili, and you see two type of the red chili. The one is a like brighter red color, okay, and the another one is normal red color, which is dull, okay. But you can choose that brighter red chili powder because that attract to you, okay, that attract to you. Then why they attract to you? Because of that brighter red color, okay. Now you buy the first one, but you don't know that brighter red color are occurred due to the some oil soluble color, okay. Now these coloring agents are of two types. One is a natural and one is a man-made or artificial color, okay. So the natural color of the food is that to be that food gets from a nature, okay. Either they are red, either they are yellow, either they are orange, either they are blue, but that color of the food product are due to the natural phenomena. But there are some lots of the color which are known as a artificial color. These artificial colors are what? They are a chemicals, and they are made by a human being, okay. Now FSSAI have a permit for the use of these artificial color, and even they ban some artificial color, and even they have a level of that artificial color, that how much amount of the artificial color, particular artificial color are used in a particular food product. Suppose that there is some color is, there are some artificial color which is known as A. Now these A are added to a food product according to the weight, okay. So suppose FSSAI permit that we have add only 0.2 gram of that A artificial color into a 100 gram of the food product. If we add the beyond this limit, then it come under the category of the adulteration, okay. And the substance which is used for the adulteration are known as a adulterant. Now today the experiment that we have to discuss is what? Detection of the oil soluble color in a red chili. So for performing this experiment we required a two chemical. The first one is your 50% of HCl, which means that if we take a 1 ml of the HCl, then it will be dissolved into a 1 ml of the distilled water. So this is how we prepare the 50% of the HCl. And the another chemical that we use is a petroleum ether, okay. So when we are using the concentrated HCl, then we have to take a precaution. Which type of the precaution? Because this concentrated HCl are what? They are corrosive in nature. Okay, so when we are handling it, when we are preparing the dilute of this concentrated HCl, so we have to wear a proper mask, proper lab coat and proper hand gloves. Otherwise, it will damage our skin, it will damage our eyes, okay, it will burn our skin. We have to avoid the inhalation of the concentrated HCl. Otherwise, it will cause respiratory irritation, respiratory burn, and sometimes also it cause a digestive irritation and a digestive burn. So that's why when we are handling this concentrated acid, so we have to take a extra care. Okay, then we required as our sample, that is your red chili, then weighing balance, then we required test tubes, test tube stands, test tube holder, spatula, micropipettes, micropipette tip, and aluminum foil for the weighing. Now what we have to do, first of all we have to take a 2 gram of the sample, and in 2 gram of the sample we have to add a 3 ml of this petroleum ether. Then we have to shake it vigorously so that it will properly mix into it. Then we have to decant the ether layer into a test tube by adding a 2 ml of the this HCl, 1 is to 1, that is 50% of the HCl. If this oil soluble color are present in our red chili powder, then our red color appear. So let's start the experiment. First of all, I'm going to take the test tube, then switch on the weighing balance, add aluminum foil, and don't forget to tear the weight of the aluminum foil. Then take 2 gram of the red chili. Now it is 2 gram. Now we have to add this red chili powder into a test tube very carefully. Add it very carefully. Okay, now this is 2 gram red chili. Now we have to add a 3 ml of the petroleum ether into it. Avoid the inhalation of the smell of the petroleum ether. 1, 2, 3. Now mix it properly by shaking it. You can also use vortex for the mixing of this. Now we have to add a 2 ml of the 50% of the HCl for the decandy layer of the petroleum ether. One, now see there is no formation of the red color, which indicates that our red chili powder are not adulterated with the oil soluble colors. This red colors are appear here, okay, if it is present, but here it is not present. You can see that, okay. So this is all about the detection of the oil soluble color in a red chili. I hope you will understand. But if you have any query related to this experiment, you are free to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.